it's one more day till my book, The Cardamom Trail, is out, and I'm just here talking you through some of the recipes. It's got lots of delicious cakes, and one of my favorites is the mango mousse cake, obviously because mango is my favorite fruit, and it's really moist and it's perfect as a showstopper. I've also in the book, I've shared my knowledge of what the spices pair with, and it will help you experiment in the kitchen with your baking and your cooking a bit more. I also have got a really nice section of accompaniments where there's chutneys and there's pickles and there's salad. Any bread you pick up in the book is matched with some kind of chutney or accompaniment, which is great because it just gives you a full meal. I like this chapter of small bites, and it's savory and sweet. There are two different chapters, but the savory one especially, it's got all these recipes that remind me of my childhood. Look at that one. Isn't that a beauty? There's so many great recipes in here. The book's out in one day, so click on the book to order your copy now.